In this demo of Vocal Video, I'll show you how you can collect, edit, and share beautiful videos and galleries created with Vocal Video. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll do is create a new video collector. We have over 45 templates to choose from. Each of these will have example questions, an email copy to borrow, and they're great for getting ideas for new projects as well. Once you choose one of these collectors, you'll go into the Video Collector Builder. This is where you're going to set up your welcome page, so that's the first thing your respondents will see here on the right, and you'll be able to have a preview on mobile as you build your collector. You'll be able to set the public collector title, the spokesperson, a welcome message. You can record your own welcome video if you'd like, and add any incentives you'd like. Once everything's looking good with your welcome page, you can get into your questions. You can reorder them here and ask up to 10 questions, although we do recommend no more than 5 and keeping them short and sweet. You can edit the tips and settings for each question here, including max recording length. Here on the attribution page, you can decide if you'd like to ask for job title, company name, and if you'd like to include your own custom video release, you can do that here. You can also add additional custom form fields with our Pro plan. Here on the thank you page, you can edit the message that appears and include your own call to action button if you'd like. Here you can set up the logo and the colors associated with your entire account, and be sure to visit your brand kit so you can update your video draft settings as well. Here in the advanced section, you can choose to turn off audio responses. You can opt to transcribe your responses in up to 30 languages here. And you can also entirely localize this video collector with this link. Kiosk mode lets you optimize your collector for in-person video recordings. And you can also update the open graph image and description here that appears when you share the collector on social media or Slack. Now it's time to actually get responses. So you can see this link is actually live and ready to go. You can edit it. And you can also always edit links to draw information for your CRM or marketing automation tool. Let's go ahead and test out this link. So here you can see the intro video we've added, the question and any tips will appear over here on the left. And then your subject will be able to see themselves record. They'll be able to watch the video once it's done, do as many takes as they'd like, and then move on to the next question. You'll then get an email to log back into Vocal Video and take a look at the automatically created draft that was made for you. So this will include the logo scenes, all of your questions will become these text scenes, and then you'll get into seeing what your respondent said. This lower third is automatically created from their attribution, and this will all be in your colors and your logo that you've set up in your account settings over here. So the first thing I always like to do is preview what came back and then start to look at how I'd like to adjust any themes. So the theme is the look and feel of the video. You can see we have a couple of different options that you can easily toggle between. What format you'd like this particular video. So we often have clients that will publish it in square and then portrait and landscape for different channels. You do that just by making all your edits, publishing it, and then you can always duplicate the video for another version. Here you can update all the colors in your video. You can update the fonts that are associated with the video. You can add different logos or choose not to show that corner logo. Here you can make any adjustments to the actual subtitles or decide to hide them altogether. And last, you can choose from any of our licensed music or upload your own. Now let's look at a few more of the editing options. Here you'll be able to update the backgrounds. We have a whole bunch of suggested images and you can upload your own. Each of these will have the option to do some motion, so there's a little bit more visual appeal in your video as well. You can update the attribution that was provided by your subject, and you can also trim the video clips. So this is really critical for pulling out the very best snippets from your responses. One thing to note as well, that if you'd like to make an internal cut, you can always duplicate that scene and trim down the 2 scenes so you only have what you'd like to keep. I'll also point out that you can always add additional videos. I really love highlight reels that our clients make that include the best snippets from 4 or 5 different subjects. These are really engaging bits of video. And you can also choose from your uploaded clips that you have in your account or upload a new video clip that you've collected outside of Vocal Video. Now it's time to publish your video. This will be the final rendering process and make it possible for you to get the public video page to share and the embed code. So you can select what kind of visibility you'd like for your video page, update that URL, and make any choices about the audio processing here. Once your video has been published, we'll send you an email to log back in and take a look. And here's where you can start to share that video with the world. So the easiest way is to grab that public video link that'll include the transcript here. You'll also be able to embed the video itself or a video card on your website. We love these video cards. It makes it easy to get a nice pull quote. You can design these totally in the look and feel of your website. Here you can choose a different quote from the transcript and make any changes to the design. So colors, fonts, the corners, shadows, what the video thumbnail will look like, and the max width for your page. Then you can just copy that embed code and drop it as an HTML widget on any kind of website. Now that you've created a few videos, it's time to create a vocal video gallery. So you just click on galleries here, create a gallery, and choose what kind of style of gallery you'd like to create. This will take you to the gallery builder. Here I've added a few videos to this one, and you can see to create your gallery, it's as easy as clicking to add the videos to your gallery. Here you can drag and drop to change the order and update the design of your gallery as well. These can be standalone video pages or they can be embedded directly on your website. So make any changes to the design and the title, and then it's time to embed the gallery. Here we can preview what this gallery would look like on a white background. Now let's take a quick look at some of the examples of how real customers are using Vocal Video out in the world. The first is just a very simple wall of love from our customer Recruit Rockstars. The nice thing is, even with a very lean team, they're able to gather new video testimonials on a continual basis. They drop those into their gallery and then it immediately populates out to their website here. I like this example from Lotus Themes. This is a portfolio, so they're showing off the work that they've done for their clients, but they've also included a nice video from one of their clients in the portfolio. Here at Rachel Hart, there's a big list type of gallery with some really amazing pull quotes telling you about what's going on in the videos. Experian is another Vocal Video customer, and they're using these customer testimonials from their business credit solutions customers, as well as gathering fresh new videos directly from their site. So you can see here they've linked to the Vocal Video collector. They've got an intro message, and here you can record a brand new story. Hone is using videos on their homepage as well as their demo request page. So they've got a great example of a whole bunch of social proof here. They've got their logos, they have this authentic and unscripted video from Airtable, and then they've got their G2 listings as well. These are some great customer video testimonials. And we're also seeing customers create really compelling employee videos with Vocal Video as well. So this is Live Person's careers site. Here you can see they've embedded a slideshow of authentic employee videos. We see a similar motion by Sunrun, actually just links to their employee video testimonials right from a jobs page. Now we can take a look at how some of our customers are using Vocal Video on social media. So Google is a longtime customer of ours. They use Vocal Video to promote their events. So they have here Tony Jabara, the VP of Engineering at Spotify, giving a little promo about their event. He then asked Spotify to share that, and so they got some great amplification from this post. Here on Twitter, you can see how you can easily share that public page on social as well. In this example, the American Lighting Association is showing off all kinds of video testimonials from folks who actually attended their last event. And I'll close with this example from GoodRx, which has an ongoing blog series about patient stories. And at the end of each one, they have a call to action linking us directly to the Vocal Video collector. Thanks so much for checking out Vocal Video. And if you have any questions, please reach out, support@vocalvideo.com.